Welcome back to Research Hub. In this video, we will learn how to get the research proposal outline on any topic in research. Okay, so let's follow the steps. All right, first of all, open your ChatGPT. Now click on this plus icon and then select Deep Search. Okay. Now here, write the prompt as follows. Give research proposal outline on impact of social media on youth. Then click search, and here it is provided with the additional information, that is the impact of social media on youth. Select the option that align your interest. For example, I'm going to choose the point number 4. That is, do you prefer a qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods research approach? Now click search. It has started searching on our research proposal outline. This method will help you in preparing your research proposal and offering the justifications for every chapter or every heading in your research proposal. You can see that it almost took 5 minutes, 43 searches, and 17 sources, and has provided us with the detailed research proposal outline, right from the introduction, literature review, research questions, hypotheses, methodology, expected outcomes, limitations, references. And it has provided latest references. You can directly approach full research paper. This is latest research paper published on 21st November 2024. So this is the method will surely help you to get the best research proposal outline. Don't forget, subscribe my channel,